The only way my hair stays back is with this Frizz Ease Firm Hold. Ooh, it's cold too. Okay. Hi. Hi everyone, it's Carol. So good to see you. I'm glad you're here. I'm on my way out and I said before I go out, I'm going to do a video. I'm very bright today, very bright. I'm lime yellow. These are the flab holder sleeves and just a t-shirt, and I'm just a casual babe. That's right. And I am wearing Color Club Wild Cactus. This goes on like a dream. This formula is beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Let me sit back here. And I got this new bag from Ross for $20. Look at this. I do love this color. It's got a pouch here. Perfect. It's got the pouch inside. It's got a pocket in there. It's got a pocket here with a snap. It's got a zipper. Don't eat. Okay. And then no pocket in the back, but it's got, you can wear it as a backpack or as a purse. I wear it like a purse, like that. Or I wear it like, no, it's got to go on this side. It's got to go on this side. Right, this way this goes across. Oh, this is great. When you're out for the day, you can carry everything that you need. You can carry your phone, your wallet, you can carry snacks, your water, and there. It doesn't interfere with your outfit, but it looks cute, right? I love it. Okay, so let me show you a couple of things that were sent to me this week. This is pretty wild. I mean, I've never been sent so many things before, but from Octoly, we, as creators of YouTube videos, they show us some products and we're allowed to pick which ones we would like, but then you have to pitch the client and see if they'll send it to us. Sometimes they don't, and sometimes they do. So this I saw on Mary Glitzy Fritzy's channel, and I'll put her link below to her review. She raved about this by Clarins. I love Clarins too. This is a night cream, and this is a day cream. And these are beautiful, beautiful. This is the night cream, and it's pink, fluffy, like a mousse. Ooh, it's so cute. I love products like this. They just make me want to use them. And let's see what the day cream looks like. I think it's going to be the same. Oh yeah. I didn't use this yet, but I did try the night cream. Isn't that beautiful? Just like a pudding. Ooh, beautiful color. It's like a blush pink. A comforting, melting night cream that revitalizes, nourishes, and illuminates the skin by morning. Organic flower extract and an active fruit molecule, essin, obtained from the hort chestnut plant, are recognized for their action in the micronutrient network. With the expertise of Clarins Labs, this new revitalizing duo helps diffuse nutrients into the skin to better nourish and regain full luminosity. Clarins Anti-Pollution Complex helps to protect skin with the harmful effects of both indoor and outdoor pollution. It feels luxurious. So thank you, Clarins. Thank you, Octoly. Ooh, I love it. Oh, and this, and PAYOT sent me this through the Octoly network. Look at this picture. This is so cute. Isn't that cute? They said, so excited to celebrate with you. We hope you love our product. This is an elixir. It's called HIULLE ELIXIR, with a unique scent that enhances the face, body, and hair. Oh, okay. The dry oil contains a cocktail of 3 plant oils meticulously selected for their protective and fortifying properties. HIULLE Elixir softens and illuminates upon application. Day after day, the skin is beautiful, its radiance enhanced. Oh, it's so gorgeous. Ooh. I tell you, the scent lingers. It's so beautiful. It's like a spa. Oh. I probably wouldn't put this on at night because I don't like fragrances. I feel too suffocating, but when I'm up and out for the day, I love fragrances then. They still have to be soft, and this is very soft. Oh, it smells so beautiful. Here, hazelnut oil, maybe that's it. Oh yeah. It's got macadamia, almond oil, rice bran oil, safflower seed oil, glycine, soybean oil, sunflower oil, hazelnut oil, almond oil, rice bran oil, carrot root extract. The way I have been using it right now is just, let's see, just on the back of my hand. But today, I'm going to put some on my hair. I like a good oil on my hair. Keep my hair tame. Oh, and we'll see if my kids notice. We'll see if my kids notice today when they go to hug me. They'll say, Grandma, you smell so good. Grandma, what big eyes you have. This stuff makes your hands feel like butter. Like butter. Oh, my goodness. Wow. I can imagine what it does for the rest of your body. All right, so I put it on the back of my hands, on my chest, and on my hair. Like I said, I probably wouldn't put this on at night because it has a fragrance. But to go out during the day, I always love a soft fragrance, and this is a soft, beautiful fragrance. So thank you, Octoly. Thank you, PAYOT, for sending me this. I love the PAYOT essence that I have, and now I love this elixir. Very nice. Now, I have to show you something that is so good. Okay, it's not makeup, but it's so good. Are you a Sharpie lover? I'm a Sharpie pen lover. I love Sharpie pens. I love to write with the bold point, and this way I could see it, and if I leave notes for my mom or the kids, they could see it. You know, it's like bold. And a lot of times I need a pen besides that. I love to write with these Sharpies, the fine, ultra fine point. But sometimes I need a marker. And this is a fine point marker, okay? I usually buy the double tip where they have the marker on one end and the pen on the other end. Okay, so let me show you what I got on Amazon. I got a box of 24. They're by Keeber. They are dual point, dual tip, twin tip pens. They have the very fine pen felt marker here, and they have the fine, actually bold marker there. And they work great. And then the fine tip is just like a pen. You could sign checks with it. You could, you know, use it like a regular pen. But the whole thing is that you always have it here. And you want to make your point, you use this. When you want to write bold to your kids, your husband. And I mark all my mom's food that I make for her. I might mark the date and I tell her to please eat, so it reminds her. And I've already given out several, and I put one in my bag, one at my desk, one in my bedroom, one in my car. I gave my daughter a few. They're great. Now, these were like $7.99 for 24 of them. And you can get 60 of them for $14.99 on Amazon. I'll put the link below. For use on paper, plastic, metal, any other surface, resilient with water, fade resistant, versatile, quick drying, professional fine and ultra fine tip point. It's great. If you're a fan of the Sharpie, that costs triple the price. For $7.99, you will never get Sharpie, 24 Sharpies. You might get 4, maybe 3 Sharpies. This is my dupe. It's very important. I write the dates on my DHC cleanser. I write the dates on some products that I open, and these stick to anything. They're really, really good. I just had to share that with you. And I want to share this with you. This, my daughter gave me, and this has 15 grams of protein without the milk. With the milk, it has 22 grams of protein you can get in the morning and feel better. You need protein in your body to feel good. That is the whole key for not going off a diet. That's the whole key for not eating too many sweets. That helps you control yourself, is protein. When you get good protein in your body, you will not be craving everything. I guess that's part of the keto way, but I don't do keto. I do Weight Watchers when I have to. Right now, I don't have to do anything because I went on the divorce diet. So, I lost weight right away. But Kellogg's protein, 15 grams, and I'm sure you could just pick this up in your store. And there's also another brand that I get online, and I'll put a picture here. I'll put a link below. I thought this was great that Kellogg's finally came out with something that's nutritional for us. And you eat a little cup of this in the morning, and I'm telling you, you are good for hours. I also want to show you a little trick that I do with my caffeine solution, 5% caffeine solution by The Ordinary. Okay, what I did was pour it into a roller bowl, and then I just take it like this. It's to erase dark circles and puffiness. I've always had darkness under my eyes. So you could go like that, or like that. I thought that was pretty good. If you put it in there, it's like easier to put on, to apply. That's it for today. I think I'll be doing a video soon on all the applicators that I have to put on foundation besides your fingers. And then I will do a get ready with me using just my fingers. But before I go, I just have to show you this. Look at this fabulous foundation sponge. And you can hang it up to let it dry, but I can't wait to use this. I didn't use this yet, but I'm going to use it. I think you would wet it. I'm not sure, but I just love this. And I just love all kinds of applicators for the face. And I just like choices. And sometimes I get bored. So thank you very much. If you are not a subscriber yet, you can hit the red button down below if you like, and the bell if you want to get notified. You can click on that little thumbs up, like, and you can leave me a comment. And that's it. Have a wonderful week. Have a great day, and I will see you in my next video. Love you.